Satnam. So we're going to do a little exercise for the heart and then a meditation to open the heart. So we'll begin by bringing the arms up this way and then bringing them back down, and as you bring the hands back down, slump back, bring the arms forward and up, and then open them this way and come back. This is an inhale. Inhale, bring the arms up to the heart center, back down, slump the spine. Inhale. Show you the other one on the side. Inhale. Exhale. Push away. Sit back. Inhale. Open up. And we just repeat for 3 minutes total, so another couple of minutes. Inhale. Spread the fingers wide as the arms come down. So it's an inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, in, out, in, out. Tongue on the roof of the mouth. About what this symbolically means to you, presenting something to the heart, pushing what you don't need away. That's your exhalation. Inhale, open up the space for the new to come in, and exhale, complete the circle. Okay, make this the last one. Rest your palms in your lap. Right in the left. Fingertips touching. Meditate on the heart chakra, lift the chest, lift the spine, lengthen the neck as though someone had got a little string in a hook through your head, and you're just lifting yourself up. Okay, good. So come and sit in easy pose. So easy pose, just like this. Lotus pose is a more stable posture, but it doesn't have to be like that. We'll do 3 minutes. Sat Ka Ta. Sat Ka Ta. And we go this way. Sat Ka Ta. Sat Ka Ta. As though you're pushing against a wall as you go out. So Sat here, halfway out. Ka Ta. Sat 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 Ka Ta. Inhale. Pull on the pelvic floor, the root lock, and push into the heels of your hands. Keep your fingers up at 90. Root lock, tight. Focus your attention at the third eye point. And exhale. Keep the spine upright. Face soft. Muscles relaxed. Inhale and hold the breath. And exhale. Satnam.